This show is proudly brought to you by TraderCobb.com. If you want to get bi-weekly video newsletters on the markets that are not shown anywhere else, just subscribe underneath this video on the homepage. If you'd like to get some access to the free webinars to work out exactly what these trading strategies are about, pretty simple. Just go to free webinars. And if you've got friends or family and you'd like to learn more about blockchain and what the opportunity is, well, I've got a full 40-minute course there for you under free courses. Please share this link around and get involved and enjoy the show.
The Trader Cobb Crypto Show, talking business in blockchain.
G'day everybody and welcome to the Trader Cobb Crypto Show. What a nice bit of momentum we're seeing. Yes, we are seeing the markets come off. We are below 8,000 and it is all good. It's very good. It is very good. Don't be worried. Don't be concerned because I want to give you some perspective right now. The perspective that you need is based off of the weekly chart. Right now, we have not had a pullback for such a long time. As a matter of fact, from the point of the start of this move to the top of this move, we have pretty much gone up in a straight line 120%. Now I'm talking about from a price of 4,132 to 9,128. Talking about the Bitfinex chart here. And in that entire period, we've seen one red candle, and that red candle happened to be down 0.83%. Hardly anything at all. So it is natural to see a pullback. We need to see a pullback, and I can't wait to see a pullback. The sooner this pullback, I hope it happens brutally, quickly. Let's get back to 7. Let's get back to 6.5, even 6. I don't care. Let's get back quick. Let's get back quick so we can then take that breath and move on. Now we've seen this in the past. If you're not sure about that, go back to January of 2017. 2 candles back then. January 17, the 9th. Two quick pullbacks, bang. Then we moved to new highs in that trend, bang. 3 weeks, bang, bang, bang. Happened there, the 20th of March. From there, we went from about 1,000 up to 3,000. Yes, a multiple of 3. Huge move. Then we saw a few week pullback again, back down to, what was that, 1,830. 10th of July. From there, we went back up to 5,000. We pulled back to 3. Then we went on to nearly $20,000. We need pullbacks. We need them to happen so the market takes a breath. It's a really good thing. I'm excited about it because it means there's potential for me to get positions here, to get ready for the next move. Look, I did make some money out of the last Bitcoin run as it broke through 43.91, as one of those levels I've been talking about. But I didn't get anywhere near the sorts of positions that I was hoping to. You know, we did well. We did really well, as a matter of fact, across many of the other alts against the dollar with margin. I just didn't get the sorts of exact sort of trades that I was after. They were there. Don't get me wrong. They were there. I just wasn't there when they were there. So I'm really hopeful to get this pullback. Once we get down there and restart and reset and start moving again, I'm going to be all over it like cheese on toast. So Bitcoin right now, we're down 5.5%, sitting at $7,653 right now. We do have a lower high on the daily and a lower low. It does look bearish for the time being, and I am waiting for opportunities here. There was a wonderful little option to short last night, but it was at midnight for my time. If you're in the Northern Hemisphere, and I know there's a lot of you out there, g'day to all the Northern Hemispherians, Europeans, the English, and my good friends in the States, which make up a big part of the audience. Thank you. We have had that pullback. It did happen in your times, and hopefully you did take that cradle off of 8,000. It was a standout trade for me. When I say standout, it was kind of like that trade, for those of you that recall that have been following me and getting my emails and whatnot, from back in November of last year. There was a little 2-hour candle that was taken there for a 19-to-1 reward. Very similar as that, as it came off the old lows, 5,600 and something, I think it was. What was that? Yeah, 5,770 or something around that level. So it looks really good. Don't freak out. Don't be worried. This is just trading. This is just a market. It's overextended. It'll pull back and it'll be fine. Ethereum, very flat to sideways. Look, it's down 3.69%, currently at $240. Looking fine to me. Waiting around. He also got stopped out of a few days ago for a nice chunky profit there. It's at $6.24, just finding support once again off of that $6 mark that I have been talking about when referencing EOS for quite some time now. It's down 6.44%. Stellar Lumen, very messy looking chart, guys. It's a 12-cent flat, down 5.77% as I speak to you. XRP as well, not the greatest of downtrends, not the greatest of charts, to be honest with you. It's at 39.6 and it's down 4.82%. Litecoin, not a huge down day yesterday, as a matter of fact. We've tested, we've hovered and held around that $100 mark. It's down 3.84% and a pretty average looking chart. Bitcoin Cash at 383, down 4.46%. We are starting to see some momentum shift to that downside again, which doesn't surprise me, as you know, Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin are pretty much brother and sister. Again, a nice little pullback in there yesterday, or overnight, I should say. The momentum is there. The midterm timeframes are trending down. I'm very patient. I'm not after too much from it right now. Binance, look, Binance for me, it's a nice looking chart. It just needs to have a deeper pullback as well. We haven't really, if you consider that we started at the bottom of this move at about $4.10 and now we're at $30, we've had very little of a breather. It could really use a breather. A bit more of a pullback would certainly be on the cards. There's no trading for me there on Binance. It's down 5.16% at $29.16. The only market that is up currently, and who knows if this is a master stroke from Mr. Sun himself in relation to his $4 million lunch with Warren Buffett, or buffet, I'm not sure how you want to say that. It's up 3.25%. So, mate, you might think, well, hang on, $4 million was a lot of money to spend on a lunch. He's probably made 40 off holding it up. It's at 3.4 cents, up 3.25% today. And finally on the list is Cardano, down 6.88%. It's just sort of choppy and consolidating at the moment. Not the greatest of charts out there as it stands at 8.1 cents. So we do have some momentum in the market. There are some markets that I am stalking for some short trades. Now, that doesn't mean I think we're going to see a cataclysmic implosion of this market. As a matter of fact, I'll say it one more time. It is not time to panic. This is a very, very strong chart on Bitcoin than what we're looking at. Whether you're looking at the daily, we've had a massive run. You look at the weekly, we are overextended. We need to see a pullback. The fact is, this is a very different market to what we were looking at a few months ago. So keep the smile on your dial, hang in there, watch what's going on, and if you want to profit from the move on the way down, then you better learn how to trade, because it's the only way to do it, by trading with margin. Now, one thing I want to say is this: in the next couple of days, if you're not on the emailing list, you're going to miss out on something that we've never done before. Okay, it's coming up. We want to, it's killing me that I can't say it now, but we're going to be announcing something very, very exciting. As I said, we've never done this ever before. If you're on the mailing list, you will get access to that. It's simply go to tradercobb.com. You'll see on the homepage a little video. Scroll down, put your details in. It's just an email that we need in our name, and the rest we shall let you know of as soon as I can. Guys, have a fantastic day. Trade safe, trade wise, and I'll speak to you again tomorrow. Bye for now. This show is proudly brought to you by TraderCobb.com. If you want to get bi-weekly video newsletters on the markets that are not shown anywhere else, just subscribe underneath this video on the homepage. If you'd like to get some access to the free webinars to work out exactly what these trading strategies are about, pretty simple. Just go to free webinars. And if you've got friends or family and you'd like to learn more about blockchain and what the opportunity is, well, I've got a full 40-minute course there for you under free courses. Please share this link around and get involved.